Yes, so students, now combination of capacitors, but once charged these all capacitors, now connections, yes, differently made again. So how charge distribution changed once connections changed? So that topic just wait. Here two capacitors, 2 microfarad and 4 microfarad. Yes, it is now connecting to two batteries, C1, C2. Yes, so two batteries. I am taking one is 20 volts, another is 50 volts capacitor. Yes, so students, now this is the combination. Two capacitors, 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad. These two connecting to two batteries, 20 volts and 50 volts. Yes, what is the charge redistribution? This is simple now. Yes, first now see how charge going to be distributed. This is the negative, that's why from here to here charge transported. I am assuming here plus Q1 minus Q1, and this is a series combination. So that's why already no charge. We know in case of series combination, same charge also. So that's why very simple, plus Q and then minus. Because previously uncharged, now capacitors going to be charged. Q, that Q charge we need to find out, just wait. Plus 2 minus Q divided by 2. Again plus 2 minus Q divided by 4. Minus 2 plus 50 plus 20 equal to 0. Yes, now here LCM, that is 4, 2Q plus Q, 3Q, 3Q divided by 4. 3Q divided by 4, that is that side, that equal to 70. Then Q equal to 70 into 4 by 3. So this is part 1. Student, this much charge now stored in those two capacitors. First capacitor same charge, second capacitor also same charge. That charge is a 70 into 4, that is 280 divided by 3. Microcoulombs. This is a microcoulombs. Now, this is this first two before any other connections made. This is the complete circuit charge. Now students, small change there in the circuit. That change is from here to here. One direct connection now I am making. So after making, our circuit becomes like this. So now this is 20 volts, it is 50 volts, 2 microfarad and 4 microfarad. This is Q1, it is Q. Yes, students, same circuit. Yes, after direct connection made from here to here, this is the circuit. Then charges also automatically distributed. So after redistribution, these are the charges, Q1 and Q2. Now these two charges are not the same. Yes, now this charge, again, plus 2 minus Q1 by 2 plus 20 equal to 0 because it is one circuit. Therefore, this is Q1. Q1 equal to 40 microcoulombs. Next to minus Q2 divided by 4 plus 50 equal to 0. Therefore, Q2 equal to 200 microcoulombs. This is a Q1 and it is a Q2. Yes, now students, this plate to this plate. This is minus Q, this is plus Q. What is the net charge? Net charge is a 0. Previously, from here to here, net charge is a 0. Net charge is a 0. But right now, here to here, this is minus Q1, this is plus Q1. Here, I am calculating the total charge, students. Plus Q2 minus Q1. So, Q2 minus Q1. Q2 200, Q1 40, so 160 microcoulombs. Yes, the students, previously here 0 charge, but right now same location from here to here 160 microcoulombs. That means through this connector, how much charge went in this direction? How much charge? 160 microcoulombs passed through this new connection. Previously 0. Now 160 means the charge in this direction only went. This 160 microcoulombs in this direction went. That is the first problem. Next to, yes, here this point charge how much previously? This is 70 into 4, that is 280 divided by 3 microcoulombs. Here, yes, here 280 by 3 microcoulombs here previously. But right now, here how much charge Q1? 40 coulombs only. Yes, so students, previously on this plate, 280 by 3 microcoulombs. But right now on the same plate, only just 40 microcoulombs. That means definitely some charge in this direction. That means in this direction, some charge passed. How much charge that is? Yes, previously, yes, this charge now I am going to calculate. 280 by 3 minus here right now is a 4. So that's why 280 minus 120 0 160 by 3 microcoulombs. Students, 160 by 3 microcoulombs. Yes, through this battery in this direction went, because direction also important. Because in this direction 160 by 3 means in this direction minus 160 by 3 microcoulombs. That's right. Yes, next to even here also. In this minus here minus 280 by 3 microcoulombs previously, but right now minus 200 is there. Minus 280 by 3, but now becomes minus 200. This means here negative charge increased, means still in this now positive charge this direction only. In this direction positive charge. That also you can find. Yes, here in this direction, how much charge move? Yes, final. This is 200. This is 280 by 3. 200 minus 280 by 3. 600 minus 280 by 3. Yes, in this direction, 320 by 3 microcoulombs. In this direction, now transport. That means examiner, yes, any question now may ask. Number one, first question. Here charges. This is easy. Second question. Once the connection made, what is the final charge on this capacitor? This capacitor. Yes, this is Q1, this is Q2. Next, through this wire, how much charge moved? Or through this battery, how much charge moved? Even direction also. Through this battery, how much now charge moved? So again, this charge plus this charge equal to this charge. That is also there. So in this way, you need to find out whatever may be the examiner charge asked. That charge may be stored in the capacitor or may be moving from one place to another place. Any? So now, this is now total charge redistribution. Okay, come on, take this first.